have summoned you here for a purpose. I'm conducting a little experiment in fear and survival. You are going to assist me with my research, whether you want to or not.
Of course, lock taken out the door.
This data is excellent. Your freedom will not the bliss of the relief, the soaring ecstasy of shedding another's blood. A key to open the path to further danger.
I found a locked door. If it's here, I'll find it.
I'm surprised it took you that long to find. I made that one easy for you.
Here goes. Let's have a closer look.
I'm saving my most interesting scenarios for later.
That really wasn't very nice. Oh my.
I think you're clever. I'll have this back online in moments.
Everyone feeling better?
Initiating the next test phase.
Got a locked door here.
Why do all the doors here have to be locked? Oh!
I have other challenges for you. Witness the latest bioweapon. That is not what I expected.
My kind of work.
That really wasn't very nice.
There should be a pile of you by now.
Oh, that was freaking close. Yeah!
Come here now.
That really wasn't very nice.
Uh-huh. Copy that.
I don't want to do that again.
Come here. Now. Here. Right? We can handle this.
Yes, this data is intriguing.
Thanks.
Science can give us. Why do you still resist me?
I might be able to do something.
Continue then, but it won't be for much longer. Aren't our eyes made to be torn out, and hearts for the same purpose? Vandals, cease immediately. They will tear the flesh from your bones. You are proud of being the first to witness the fruition of a new research project. Time will kill you as certainly as I will. The end is near. Priest fills your blood with such promise and motions. Just as I calculated.